We are here in Panama with Gabriel Lopez that he created a foundation clear these fish, and I would like to know why it is important to clear these fish from the Caribbean.
Well, the fish was introduced since 1988 to the United States as an exotic species for aquariums. And as long as this fish has a big appetite, most of the people decide, instead of killing the fish or delivering or giving the fish to the authorities, they decided to release the fish in the ocean. It began in the Caribbean side of the United States, the Boca Ratones.
It was first in aquariums, and he was eating all the fish in the aquarium.
Inside the aquariums.
And now, what he's doing in the Caribbean then?
He's eating everything. This fish is a real problem for the ecosystem because this fish eats 30 fishes every 40 minutes. He has the biggest or huge appetite in the Caribbean, and it has not any natural predators.
So nobody kills him, but he kills everyone.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we created with a group of divers this foundation called Clear This Fish, to teach people that the only way to control lionfish and to reduce the impact of this invasion is to hunt them and eat them.
And what do you propose?
We are creating groups in different diving stations, and these groups actually get together just for hunting lionfish and get some skills on hunting. We do this almost every weekend to try to control the fish. The whole Caribbean is in danger because most of the coastal communities of these Central America and South American countries are poor people fishing for living. And this fish is eating all the juvenile of those species they catch to sell on markets or to sell to people. So we have two main problems. In the bottom of the sea is the lionfish eating all the juveniles, and in the top are the fishermen taking all the grown-ups for selling them, and there's gonna be nothing at the end, in the end, because nothing's gonna replace the big ones we take out on the surface, because we don't have any juveniles on the water.
Is the government of Panama, in this case, knows about this?
Actually, they know, but they don't have the funds, they don't have the plan to control it. We developed a plan of 6 years of how to teach people and make this a possible fishery for the people who doesn't get any more fishes of other species. So there's a full sea of good protein as the lionfish is. The only way is how to teach people to take it out.
Yes, because I see that it has some poison and maybe people is scared.
Actually, the fish has no toxin or poison or anything on the meat. They have only poison in the spines and dorsal fins, pelvic fins, and anal fins, but it's controllable with hot water. So we are teaching that, so people forget this fear about handling it, taking it out, eating it. So
if you remove the peaks,
the fins,
then it's okay. It's delicious.
Actually, this fish is very, very good.
Very tasty.
Tasty.